What's up everybody, welcome to another unboxing and review video. Today I have Vivo X80 Pro. Where is Vivo X80 Pro? Why am I holding this? Actually Vivo has sent me this with that X80 Pro. They have sent me a ton of gifts, but I chose to show you this one because this is flower, not plastic. This is real flower. And I like real flower. Vivo X80 and Vivo X80 Pro came in this box. It looks gorgeous. Oh, they have even sent me a card. Okay, it's written in Chinese. It's my Chinese name, Han, and they wish that I have more and more subscribers. Wow, I like this. It looks gorgeous. Vivo always do something so great. But I'm always gonna do what I do. I mean, make honest review videos. Well, this is Vivo X80 Pro. They have also sent me Vivo X80. I have done a separate video about this Vivo X80. Today we are not gonna unbox or talk about this one. Check that other video. Today we are gonna talk about this Vivo X80 Pro. Yeah, Aurora is sitting over there and we will show Aurora in another video. Okay, let's start from unboxing. Let's do the unboxing and then we will talk about specification, price, and then we will go through some benchmarks, camera performance, gaming performance, all those. But before we start this video, one request. If you end up liking this video, if you think I'm doing something nice, if you like my videos, then please click on the like button and subscribe to this channel because I'm always honest. Whether I get a review unit or not, I'm always honest. Yeah, I have review units from other brands, not for sale. Okay, but I've never made any video about this product, about this smartphone. When I think one smartphone doesn't offer any type of value for money, I'm not gonna waste my time to make a video about that product, and I don't want you to buy that product. Well, I don't want to say a lot of things. If you like my videos and if you want to watch more, subscribe to this channel. It's time to unbox our Vivo X80 Pro. Very good premium material, the same material they have used in Vivo X Note and X Fold packaging. After you open the top lid, it totally feels like I'm unboxing Vivo X70 Pro Plus, almost similar. Anyway, this is our Vivo X80 Pro. Let's put the phone aside for a while and let's check what things we have got inside the box. Underneath the smartphone, there is a 80-watt charger, the same charger they have provided in Vivo X Note box. There are some protection for your smartphone. A protective case, TPU silicone protective case, very good quality, but not as good as Vivo X Note. Vivo X Note protective case is a bit better than this one. There are some paperworks and a SIM ejector tool and a USB-C to USB-C charging cable. This one is the same as Vivo X Note or Vivo X Fold. Actually, I think Vivo X80 Pro is going to be my daily drive until I get my Vivo X80 Pro Plus official edition. Yeah, it's a very good quality USB-C to USB-C charging cable. This is our Vivo X80 Pro. Let's unwrap it. In hand. Well, wait. It almost feels the same as Vivo X70 Pro Plus. I think they just have taken Vivo X70 Pro Plus and changed the camera block, changed the internals, SoC, and yeah, it became a Vivo X80 Pro. If you consider the price, the pricing is the same as Vivo X70 Pro Plus, but you're getting something new, updated. I think this Vivo X70 Pro Plus camera block looks a bit better, but a lot of people doesn't like this this part, the wordings, the letters. At the beginning I didn't also like it, but now I think it's better. It looks nice. Yeah, this one also got its own design language. This one also looks nice, but I still prefer this one. In hand, it's premium. It totally as premium as Vivo X70 Pro Plus, so no complaint. The textures, the rear panel materials, the design, everything is almost the same. Why am I using the word almost? It's the same. Look at this. Now you tell me which one is Vivo X80 Pro and which one is Vivo X70 Pro Plus. Do you see any difference? On the right side, left side, at the bottom, almost no difference. Everything is the same. They have just taken Vivo X70 Pro Plus, upgraded it to Vivo X80 Pro, and yeah, they have taken Vivo X Note and then made it Vivo X80 Pro Plus. Well, in hand it feels amazingly well because this is the same thing as Vivo X70 Pro Plus. Premium build quality and premium feelings. Altogether, there is no option to complain about anything. If you wanna complain about anything, that will be personal preferences, I mean the design language. Oh, sorry, this one is Vivo X70 Pro Plus protective case and this one is Vivo X80 Pro protective case. With the protective case, it looks the same. You're not gonna lose anything. The design is over there because this protective case totally resembles the rear panel. In-hand feelings with the protective case is also the same. Well, let's check the specification of Vivo X80 Pro. Definitely this one comes with Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. You can select between 8 or 12 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, 256 or 512 GB of UFS 3.1 storage, 6.78-inch Samsung LTPO3 E5 AMOLED panel, stereo speaker, 4700 mAh battery, 80 watt wired and 50 watt wireless charging. I have got this 12 plus 256 GB variant and this one costs around 5,999 RMB in China. This is equivalent to 47,500 Philippine peso, 69,500 Indian rupees, 79,000 Bangladeshi taka, 862 euros. Okay, this one costs 13 million and 160,000 Indonesian rupiah. Let's talk about the display panel because this one is attractive and amazing. Vivo X80 Pro got a very impressive display panel. As I have mentioned earlier, this is a 6.78-inch Samsung E5 AMOLED LTPO3 panel. Yeah, this is amazingly good and it offers a vibrant picture quality. If I say black is very dark, white is very bright, colors are vivid and vibrant, then it won't be enough to express the quality of this display panel. It's better than what words can express. 1500 nits peak brightness and 2K resolution with 120Hz refresh rate. Altogether, this is one of the best, if not the best. Vivo X80 Pro got stereo speaker setup. Let's listen to some music side by side with Vivo X80 Pro and Oneplus 10 Pro. Let's see whether there is any difference or not. Now it's time for Antutu benchmark. This time it's different because I have done a separate video with 8 different smartphones where I have checked Antutu thermal throttling performance, and interestingly X80 Pro has done well. After the first run it has got 999,000. After the second run 995,000, which is insane considering this is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 based smartphone. After the third run, well, Vivo X80 Pro has got 983,000. Unbelievable performance. But surprisingly, Vivo X80 has done even better than Vivo X80 Pro. I have also tried 3D Mark, the gamer's benchmark, with 7 different smartphones, and okay, Vivo X80 Pro has done the best among all the Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 based smartphones. I need to mention, I did not include Vivo X Note in that comparison. I think if I have added Vivo X Note, then Vivo X80 Pro would get the second place, cause Vivo X Note has insane stability and thermal management. But 78 or 79% stability, that's also very good. I think Vivo X80 Pro has done very well. Yeah, Vivo X80 Pro is a camera-centric smartphone, but this is a super flagship and anybody who'd buy this smartphone would like to play games on this one. Vivo X80 Pro is a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 based smartphone. That means this one comes with the best SoC from Qualcomm. This is a super flagship and obviously we can play games on this smartphone. But the question is, what type of performance can we expect and how is in-game experience? If you are thinking about smoothness, Vivo X80 Pro offers a very smooth gaming performance without any lag for hours after hours. X80 Pro display panel is one of the best and playing graphics intensive games is kind of fun. Gaming should be enjoyable. I really hate worrying about lagging, thermal throttling and other issues while I am gaming cause that hampers the joy. I have enjoyed gaming with Vivo X80 Pro, especially on this display panel. Gaming experience is so great. Yeah, Vivo X80 Pro is a camera-centric smartphone. Let's check the specification of the rear camera setup of Vivo X80 Pro. Vivo X80 Pro got a 50 megapixel Samsung ISOCELL GNV with gimbal OIS and that's the main sensor. Vivo has kept the same ultra-wide sensor, that's Sony IMX598 48 megapixel sensor. Yeah, the sensor tagged to that 2x zoom telephoto lens is also the same as Vivo X70 Pro Plus, that's Sony IMX663 12 megapixel sensor. There is a periscope lens which offers 5x optical zoom and that one is tagged to a Hynix HI8478 megapixel sensor. Okay, Vivo has added OIS to that one, but I don't understand why didn't they add OIS to that Sony IMX663 12 megapixel sensor, because we are gonna use that one more as we take more portrait photos than 5x zoom photos. Well, I am doing a camera comparison between this Vivo X80 Pro and iPhone 13 Pro. So if you're interested, subscribe to this channel and stay tuned. Let's check a few photos that I have already taken with these two smartphones.
I'm never gonna look back, cause damn I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change.
Vivo X80 Pro comes with Origin OS Ocean and Android 12 out of the box. Personally, I believe Origin OS is the best Android skin developed by any BBK group. Okay, not BBK group. This is the best and the most optimized Android skin available in the market right now. There is a RAM expansion option and you can expand up to 4 GB of RAM. Vivo X80 Pro has an ultrasonic fingerprint reader underneath its display panel. It's 38.7% larger. The fingerprint sensor is so large that it can read 2 fingerprints at the same time. In fact, that offers super security if you use mobile banking applications. Fingerprint unlocking time is really fast. Vivo claims X80 Pro can be easily unlocked within 0.2 seconds. I believe it. I think it's really that fast.
Let's go.
Vivo X80 Pro got a 4700 mAh battery and comes with a flash charge 80-watt charger inside the box. And Vivo X80 Pro took 13 minutes to get from 0 to 50%. It took 39 minutes to get from 0 to 100%, which is fast, but there are other brands offering more than 100-watt charging speed, so I had better expectations. Definitely, it supports 50-watt wireless charging and it takes around 52 minutes to get fully charged with a Vivo Flash Charge wireless charger. I have managed to get around 7 hours of screen on time at 1440p resolution with Smart Switch refresh rate. This is amazing, but I need to mention I didn't do much gaming. If you can use 1080p resolution and if you never use performance mode, then you will be able to extract more than 7.5 hours of screen on time. Refresh rate and performance mode plays a big role in screen on time, so SOT may vary based on your settings and preferences. Okay, it's time for verdict. This is Vivo X70 Pro Plus. this one is Vivo X80 Pro. Actually, this Vivo X80 Pro gives me a mixed feelings. Yeah, the display panel of this Vivo X80 Pro is definitely a better one than this Vivo X70 Pro Plus, but this Vivo X80 Pro always gives me a feelings like Vivo is selling old wine in new bottle. They have just taken Vivo X70 Pro Plus, tweaked a bit here and there, added this new SoC and new display panel. Yeah, they have definitely upgraded, but whenever I consider the price tag, I feel it's a bit overpriced. Well, that's my verdict. I don't know what do you think about this Vivo X80 Pro. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. Yeah, like button is over there. Also, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and please share your thoughts and ideas about Vivo X80 Pro and about this video.
I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9.